So recently I replaced the windshield wiper on my Passat. I only replaced the left side here, the driver's side, with a brand new Bosch blade. And the one on the right, I decided to try just reconditioning it with, first I cleaned it with alcohol, got it totally clean, and then I applied a liberal amount of petroleum jelly on the blade, the rubber piece, and allowed it to soak in for a day, and then I wiped off the excess. And I really cannot tell any difference between the new blade and the blade that I reconditioned. And I chose to just try reconditioning it because the blade was not torn in any way. It was just dirty, and the rubber seemed to gotten hard, and it was chattering across the window. But I believe I've been able to restore it and get some more life out of the blade. The blades are fairly expensive. They're, you know, around $30 more or less each one, and so it's not trivial to replace your blade. They recommend you replace them every 6 months, so that's can add up over the years. And you can no longer just get the refills for a few dollars and restore the wiper blade. They now sell the entire assembly, and although it is easy to click it in and go, it's quite costly. But I believe restoring the blade in my case was successful. And again, I just used some alcohol and petroleum jelly. So the windshield wiper on the left is a brand new windshield wiper, and the windshield wiper on the right is the same exact brand and model, but instead of replacing it, I cleaned it with alcohol and saturated with petroleum jelly for a day, and then wiped the excess off. And I really can't tell any difference between the brand new wiper blade and the one that's been reconditioned. The older blade wasn't torn, so I didn't want to replace it when I felt like I could clean it and maybe restore it. And I believe the petroleum jelly did soften the rubber and brought it back into a better performing wiper blade.